Right then, I hope you're all doing well. Look what's arrived. Love burger at home from Leon. The sourdough burgers, aioli garlic sauce, burger sauce. Absolutely brilliant. A couple of the coconut collaborative desserts. These are also vegan. Tried these before, fantastic brands. So really well packaged this. It's also got these packs in here to keep everything frozen. And then we have the Meatless Farm burgers, designed for vegans. The Leon waffle fries. Really thanks for your product, Leon. Really looking forward to making these. We'll come back with the finished goods. Boom. Wow, super excited. And here it all is. Just gonna put it onto the side. Just toasted the sourdough. Now I'm just building it as against the instructions. Really good guide. Going to use some of the burger sauce. Like so. And then I've got some homemade pickle. We'll lay some of this on top. Some of the fantastic, awesome cheese over the top. Then I'm gonna wrap the burger. Lovely wrapper, really good. My wife is really ready and waiting for this. She really can't wait. Finally, we're gonna load up the Leon waffles. And we're just gonna put a little bit of the aioli sauce into a serving bowl. And here we have it, the Leon Love Burger. Please do check out my playlist. We do also cover all the Leon cookbooks as well and also recipes. Really hope you enjoy the show and please do subscribe. Enjoy.